Hi everyone, Kathy here from IBC Business Solutions. Today I want to walk you through the system that completely changed how I run my business and how one of my clients recently increased their profits by 48% using the same approach. It's simple, it's powerful, and most business owners are not doing it. According to the Chamber of Commerce report dated July 2024, 18% of small businesses fail within their first year, while 50% fail after 5 years and approximately 65% by their 10th year in business. The traditional accounting formula is broken. There are 28 million small businesses in the US and 22 million are at break even. Accounting alone focuses on the numbers, yet it ignores the human behavior around the numbers. A lesson in behavior. Parkinson's law dictates our use of time, toothpaste, paper towels, as well as money. Work expands to fill the available time. Parkinson also said his second law states that expenses tend to rise to meet income. In other words, no matter how much you earn, your spending will increase to fill the available income. So while we know we should read our P&L, cash flow, and balance sheets regularly, conduct financial analysis, and reconcile our general ledgers, we don't. We check our bank balance online constantly. Parkinson's law dictates as deposits increase, so does our spending, and vice versa. But if you take your profit first, your natural behavior of checking your bank balance becomes your biggest asset. The profit first formula is, of course, you take your profit first, then you run your business on what's left. Here you want to set up multiple bank accounts to get started. Create separate accounts and give every dollar a job. And this is how it's done. All money comes into one account, the income account. Then, twice a month, you move that money from the income to the other accounts based on target percentages. You take your profit first, always. Parkinson's law becomes a powerful tool when you take your profit first and are forced to grow your business off the remainder. In the past, profit was a leftover. Now, expenses are forced to adjust to what remains after profit. Now, bank balance accounting becomes a highly effective method of managing your finances. Historically, this method has been one of the greatest savings mechanisms of all time in U.S. history, the 401k. Here's an example. A business brings in $10,000 by the 10th of the month. This all goes into the income account, all in one spot. Then in the profit first way of doing things, twice a month, you want to allocate the money that's come in by the 10th and the 25th. So in this example, on the 10th of the month, there's $10,000 in there. So we go ahead and we split this up. We put 5% into profit, 15% in for taxes, 50% into owner's pay, and 30% into OPEX. Why this works? It creates intentional money flow. You're telling your money what to do instead of you chasing it. It builds financial discipline. It forces you to run lean. It ensures that you always pay yourself, and it eliminates tax time panic. How do we do it? Here at IBC, we start with a profit assessment. We do a historical review of your company's financial trends and match it to the best financially performing companies in your category with a plan on how to get your business there. Then the profit first implementation, we set up the allocation of bank accounts and immediate allocation percentages of profit and other funds. And finally, profit maximization, a quarterly process of continual profit, owner's pay, and other improvements. We leverage Parkinson's law to build maximum efficiencies and innovations in your business. Here are the results of some of the folks we've worked with. Mike says, we implemented Profit First at the start of our best year in business. The results were no coincidence. Vanessa says, Profit First is so good. I immediately got results and am looking forward with a huge grin to bigger and bigger profits year after year. And finally, John says, Profit First has been a paradigm shift in our firm. We directly attribute Profit First to the bottom line improvements in our firm. So, excuse me, how are we different than everyone else? We provide excellent accounting services, which you should expect from any accountant you work with. We aggressively reduce your tax liability, which you should also expect from your accountant. But what we do differently is we also drive profitability in your business with the Profit First method. And we are one of the select few globally certified accounting firms. Our firm and our network has over 1,000 implementations of Profit First with businesses throughout the country. No matter what profit challenges your business faces, our team has experience solving it. So what's next? Are you ready to stop guessing where your money went? Tomorrow on June 19th, we're announcing one thing you will want to do to rock 2025. In the meantime, for all of you HVAC business owners and anyone else interested, I have a special gift for you. Click on the link in the post, kathyjramos.com/7mistakes, to receive my ebook, 7 Mistakes That Put HVAC Contractors Out of Business. That's all I've got for today. Bye for now.